Welcome to my channel IT with Chandrima. Today we will be discussing about aggregate function of SQL. Before starting the video, I want to request my viewers please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get latest notification. So today we are going to discuss about aggregate function. Basically there are 5 aggregate function. They are count, sum, average, maximum and minimum. This video will also contain some questions which could be helpful for you. So let's start the video. We'll start our today's video with count function. This function is mainly used to count the number of rows in a table. That means if we have 4 rows in a table and we use count function, it will display the number of rows. The number of values in a given column or number of rows in a table, count function can use. Count can work on both numeric and non-numeric data types. To count how many employees are there in a table employee, the command is select count asterisk from employee. The correct syntax for using count distinct is select count distinct column from table. The distinct count will be based off the column in parentheses. Let's discuss about some frequently asked question in interview round. Question number 1. Write in a SQL query to count the total number of employees city in the employee table. Question number 2. Write SQL query to count the distinct employee city in the employee table. So what is the use of distinct clause? Distinct clause is useful to remove the duplicate rows. That means this clause is used to find unique record from table. Syntax of first query is visible on the current slide, that is select count employee city from employee. And for the second query, the syntax is which is below the first query's answer, select count distinct employee salary from employee. Select command we can use select count function asterisk from employee. Asterisk is used to count all the columns from employee. Next command select count distinct employee salary from employee. Distinct keyword is used to find out unique record from employee table. Let's look at the sum function. In SQL, sum function is an aggregate function that adds up the values in a numeric column in a database table. It's often used in data analysis and reporting to get total on cumulative metrics. The sum function is used to calculate total number of numeric values in a specified column. The basic syntax for sum function is select sum column name from table name. To select specific column, select sum column name from table name where employee ID 104. We will discuss about SQL query with sum function. So for first question, write an SQL query to find total salary of employee. Question number 2, write an SQL query to find sum where employee ID is 104. Next slide, we will be looking employee table with SQL query answers. Under this table, we can see in the lower portion select sum employee salary from employee. This is the answer of the first query of sum which is in the previous slide. Next we have select sum employee salary from employee where employee ID is 104. This is the command of second query. Now let's see it practically. Let's see the practical for sum function. For first query, syntax is select sum employee salary from employee. Select command for second query, select sum employee salary from employee. Where clause we can use to find out particular record from employee ID, EMP ID equal to 104. Let's look at the average function. The average function is used to calculate the average of specified column. If we do average function, if we want to find the average value of a employee salary, then we can select average function, select AVG column name from table name. Query for average function. Question number 1. Write an SQL query to find average salary of employee. Question number 2. Write an SQL query to find average where employee city is Mumbai. Answer of the first query is visible on the current slide, that is select AVG employee salary from employee. Question number 2 syntax, select AVG employee salary from employee where employee city is Mumbai. AVG function is used to find out average from table. Select command we can use, select AVG employee salary from employee. The syntax for second query command is select AVG employee salary from employee. Where clause we can use to find out particular record from table where employee city is Mumbai. We can find out the particular record by using where clause. Let's look at the max function. The max function in SQL is designed to identify the maximum value of a specified column. This function is particularly useful in retrieving the highest value from the set of data. The syntax of max function is select max column name from table name. The SQL questions for max query are: write an SQL query to find the maximum salary or highest salary paid to the employees in the employee table. Query number 2, write a query to find the maximum salary for a year of employee. Answer of the first query is visible on the current slide, that is select max employee salary from employee. And for the second query, the syntax is which is below the first query's answer, select max employee salary into 12 from employee. Find out highest salary of employee, we have to type select command, select max employee salary from employee. We can find out the total salary maximum of employee. Next, second statement is find out the maximum salary for a year. Select max employee salary into 12 to find the maximum salary for a year from employee. Now we have minimum function. SQL min function returns the smallest value in the column. It can be used with various data types. The min function can be used with the distinct keyword to return the minimum value among the unique value in a column. The syntax for min function is select min column name from table name. Min function can work both numeric and non-numeric data type. The SQL query for min function is: first question, write an SQL query to find minimum salary or lowest salary from employee table. Question number 2, write an SQL query to find minimum salary from employee where employee city is Mumbai. First query answer is select min employee salary from employee. Query number 2 answer, select min employee salary from employee where employee city is Mumbai. Select command, select min employee salary from employee table. We can see the minimum value of employee. The second query statement of min function is select min employee salary from employee. Here you can use where clause, where employee city is Mumbai. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and like the video and leave a comment in the comment box. The topic of my next video will be on group by clause and having clause with aggregate function.